So, another unboxing. I got my Scentbird today. I'm running out the house. There goes my keys. This is a new fragrance. And this is lavender, jasmine, vanilla, and sandalwood. I doubt that I can wear that because of the lavender, but you can see I'm in my Honda. Alright, so I have it. Comes in the tube like I said last time. And this is the one. And this is 8 milliliters. So let me try it out. I like this. I don't think that I'm going to have a problem wearing this. It smells really good. So I have my old one in the thing, and you just pull it out. And then I snap this back in and then twist and whatever. And so I still have the other one right here. You can see that I used it, and I really liked it. I'll see if I'm gonna buy like a full size of that, or if like another month you can always request the same one again. Thank you. I know my videos are sometimes jolty because doing them on the go. Thank you. Like and subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you and have a blessed day.